Stop memorizing English words.
Stop forcing yourself to speak.
What if I tell you you can start speaking English faster just by listening like a native? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Annam. Today's topic is very special. If you feel shy when you speak English, if your mind goes blank, if you know words, but you cannot speak, then this video is for you. Today we are talking about listen like a native, speak English fast in just 7 days.
Yes,
7 days. And no hard grammar, no pressure, no fear, just listening the right way. So relax, put on your earphones, and let's start. Let me ask you something. Can you understand English movies a little? Can you understand YouTube videos? But when you speak, you stop. Why does this happen? Because your ears are weak, not your brain, not your mouth. Think about a baby. A baby listens for months, again and again. Then one day the baby speaks. You learned your first language like this, not from books, from listening. But with English, we do the opposite. We read rules, we memorize words, and we try to speak fast. That's why English feels hard. So today we change the method. This method is simple. For 7 days you will listen every day. Listen to the same English. Listen without pressure. Listen like a child. No writing.
no translating.
No stopping every second. Just listening. I will explain day by day. Very slowly. Very clearly. Ready? Let's start with day 1. Day 1 is the easiest. Your job is only one thing. Listen. Choose one short English audio or video. 5 to 10 minutes only. For example, a simple English podcast, a beginner English story, a daily life conversation. Important rule. Do not change the audio. Same audio. Again and again. Today, listen 3 times. Do not pause.
Do not repeat loudly.
Do not translate. Just listen. Even if you understand only 30%, it's okay. Your ears are learning. Ask yourself, can I hear the sound? That's enough. Day 1 equals same audio. Listen 3 times. No thinking. No pressure. Easy, right? Let's move to day 2. Day 2 is still easy. Same audio. Same speaker.
Same topic.
Today, listen 3 or 4 times. But now feel the rhythm. How fast do they speak? Where do they stop? Where do they smile? Don't worry about meaning. Just feel the music of English. Native English is like a song. Up and down. Fast and slow. You are training your ears. Small question for you. Do you feel English sounds different now? That's progress. Now things get interesting. Day 3. Same audio again. First, listen 1 time. Normal listening. Second time, whisper. Very softly. No loud speaking. Just copy the sound.
If the speaker says,
"Good morning, how are you?" you whisper, "Good morning, how are you?"
no stopping. No correcting.
You don't need to be perfect. This builds mouth memory. Your mouth is learning English shape. Relatable moment. Many learners say, "My pronunciation is bad." But ask yourself, did you ever train your mouth?
No.
Now you're training it.
Slowly. Gently.
Day 4 is powerful. This is called shadow listening. Same audio. Now listen and speak together. The speaker talks. You talk half a second later. Like a shadow. Not loud. Not fast. Just follow. Even if you miss words,
keep going.
This feels hard at first. That's normal. But this is how natives learn. Your brain is now connecting. Sound plus mouth plus meaning. Let's stop for a second. Day 1. Listen only. Day 2. Feel rhythm. Day 3. Whisper. Day 4. shadow speaking.
You see? No grammar.
No fear. Day 5. Same audio. Now, after listening, ask yourself very simple questions. For example,
Who is talking?
is the topic happy or sad? Is this about work or home? Answer in one sentence only, like, it is about daily life. She is talking about her job. No long answers. This builds confidence. You are using English without stress. Day 6 is fun. Listen again. Now, pause after one sentence. Repeat only one line. Example. Audio. I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. One line only. Then play again. Do this for 10 minutes. Not more. Quality is better than quantity. This is the big day. Day 7. Listen once. Then close the audio. Now speak freely.
Talk about the same topic.
It's okay if it's broken English. Say things like, today I talk about my morning. I wake up early. I drink tea. Simple. Clear. You did not memorize. You absorbed. That's the secret. This method works because you learn like a child. No fear of mistakes. Same input again and again. Your ears led your mouth. Speaking comes after listening. Always. Let me warn you. Do not change audio every day. Translate every word. Force yourself to speak fast. Compare yourself to others. Your journey is your journey. Slow is powerful. Think about driving. First, you watch others drive. Then you sit quietly. Then you try slowly. You don't drive fast on day 1. English is the same. Many learners tell me, I am afraid people will laugh. Listen to me. Everyone starts bad. Everyone. Even native kids make mistakes. English is not about perfection. It is about connection. You are brave for trying. Let's recap one last time. 7 days. 1 audio. Listen. Feel. Whisper. Shadow. Answer. Repeat. Speak free. That's it.
No magic app.
No secret book. Just smart listening. If you follow this method honestly, you will feel change in 7 days. Not perfect English, but confident English. And confidence is everything. Now I want to hear from you. Which day feels hardest for you? Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more easy English learning. Remember, you are not bad at English. You just learned it the wrong way. Keep listening. Keep smiling.
Keep going.
This is Annam, saying goodbye for now. See you in the next lesson.